In a small village there lived a potter. He had a donkey. Every day his donkey would carry soil from the field to his house. Since the field was quite far off, the potter would rest under a tree, midway tying his donkey nearby. One day the potter forgot to take the rope with which he tied the donkey every day. When he reached the tree, he thought, how do I tie this donkey today? He might run away if I sleep. The potter decided to tie down holding the donkey's ear so that the donkey would not run away. But this way neither the donkey was comfortable nor the potter was able to take rest. A man who happened to be passing by saw the potter holding on to the donkey's ear. Then the man wanted to know what the problem of the potter was. When the potter told the man what the problem was, the wise man said, take the donkey to the place where you tie him every day. Pretend to tie him using an imaginary rope. I assure you he would not run away. The porter did what the man had said. He left the donkey and went to take a nap. When he woke up, to his surprise and relief, he found the donkey standing in the same place. Soon the porter prepared to leave for home, but the donkey did not move. What is wrong with this donkey? Exclaimed the porter in frustration. Luckily, the porter saw the wise man again. He ran up to the man and told him about the donkey's strange behavior. The man said, you tied up the donkey, but did you untie him? Go and pretend to untie the rope with which you had tied the donkey. The porter followed the man's advice. Now the donkey was ready to leave for home. The porter understood that donkey was the bonded donkey. The porter thanked the wise man and went home happily with his donkey.